In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets offline. If you've ever been on a flight, in a cafe with spotty Wi-Fi, or somewhere with no connection at all, you can still edit your spreadsheets without missing a beat. The key is setting things up ahead of time so your files are ready when you go offline, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. First, you'll need the Google Docs offline extension for Chrome. This is the official add-on from Google. It's free, and it quietly does the heavy lifting in the background. Head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Google Docs Offline, and add it to Chrome. Make sure you're signed into Chrome with the same Google account you use for Drive so everything connects properly. Once it's installed, you don't have to open anything special. The extension simply enables offline editing for your Google files when needed. Next, tell Google Drive to start preparing your files for offline use. Open drive.google.com, click the gear icon in the top right, and go to Settings. Under the General section, check the box labeled Offline. When you turn this on, Google begins syncing your most recent files to your computer so they're available without internet. Give it a moment. Initial syncing can take a little time, especially if you have larger spreadsheets. It's a good idea to keep your browser open and your device awake so everything finishes downloading, and make sure you have enough disk space for the files you use most often. Finally, if there's a particular sheet you know you'll need, open it in Google Sheets, go to the File menu, and toggle on Make Available Offline. This ensures that specific spreadsheet is always ready, even if it's not one of your most recent files. You'll see a small checkmark icon at the top, which is your confirmation that the file is fully available offline. From here, you can edit cells, add formulas, and make changes as usual. Your edits are saved locally and will sync automatically the next time you reconnect to the internet. If you're about to head offline, it's smart to open the sheet once while you're still connected to confirm that checkmark appears. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Avoid clearing your browser data while you're offline. Let syncing finish after you get back online. And if you switch to another computer, you'll need to set this up there as well. That's it. Simple, reliable, and ready for travel days or outages.